Top 20 SQL interview questions in transportation. Question 1. Write an SQL query to calculate the total distance traveled by each vehicle. The correct answer is select vehicle_id. Sum of distance from trips group by vehicle_id. Calculates total distance by summing up the trip distances for each vehicle. Question 2. Write an SQL query to find the top 5 vehicles with the most distance traveled last month. The correct answer is select vehicle_id. Sum of distance from trips where trip_date is greater than CURDATE minus interval 1 month group by vehicle_id order by sum of distance descending limit 5. Finds the top 5 vehicles based on distance traveled in the last month. Question 3. Write an SQL query to find all trips taken by a specific vehicle in the last 7 days. The correct answer is select star from trips where vehicle_id equals 101 and trip_date is greater than or equal to CURDATE minus interval 7 day. Filters trips by vehicle and date range using the where clause. Question 4. Write an SQL query to calculate the total fare collected by each driver. The correct answer is select driver_id. Sum of fare_amount from trips group by driver_id. Aggregates fare amounts for each driver by summing trip fares for each driver. Question 5. Write an SQL query to find the most frequently used route based on trip count. The correct answer is select route_id. Count of star from trips group by route_id order by count of star descending limit 1. Identifies the most used route by counting trips on each route. Question 6. Write an SQL query to find all vehicles that traveled less than 100 kilometers last month. The correct answer is select vehicle_id from trips where trip_date is greater than CURDATE minus interval 1 month group by vehicle_id having sum of distance is less than 100. Filters vehicles with low travel distance in the past month using having clause. Question 7. Write an SQL query to calculate the average fare per trip for each route. The correct answer is select route_id. AVG of fare_amount from trips group by route_id. Calculates the average fare per route by grouping trip data by route. Question 8. Write an SQL query to list all trips taken by a specific driver in a given month. The correct answer is select star from trips where driver_id equals 101 and trip_date between the 1st of December 2024 and the 31st of December 2024. Filters trips for a specific driver within a specific date range. Question 9. Write an SQL query to find the total revenue generated from each route. The correct answer is select route_id. Sum of fare_amount from trips group by route_id. Calculates the total revenue by summing up fares for each route. Question 10. Write an SQL query to calculate the total number of trips made by each driver. The correct answer is select driver_id. Count of star from trips group by driver_id. Counts the number of trips made by each driver. Question 11. Write an SQL query to find the average trip distance for each vehicle. The correct answer is select vehicle_id. AVG of distance from trips group by vehicle_id. Calculates the average trip distance for each vehicle. Question 12. Write an SQL query to list all vehicles that have not traveled in the last 30 days. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id from vehicles where vehicle underscore id not in select vehicle underscore id from trips where trip underscore date is greater than CURDATE minus interval 30 day. Identifies vehicles that haven't made any trips in the past 30 days. Question 13. Write an SQL query to calculate the total fuel consumption for each vehicle. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id. Sum of fuel underscore consumption from trips group by vehicle underscore id. Calculates the total fuel consumption for each vehicle. Question 14. Write an SQL query to find the vehicle with the highest number of trips in the last year. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id. Count of star as trip underscore count from trips where trip underscore date is greater than CURDATE minus interval 1 year group by vehicle underscore id order by trip underscore count descending limit 1. Identifies the vehicle with the highest trip count in the past year. Question 15. Write an SQL query to list all vehicles with maintenance records older than 6 months. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id from maintenance where maintenance underscore date is less than CURDATE minus interval 6 month. Lists vehicles with overdue maintenance by filtering maintenance records older than 6 months. Question 16. Write an SQL query to find the total fare collected by each driver in a given month. The correct answer is select driver underscore id. Sum of fare underscore amount from trips where trip underscore date between 2024-1201 and 2024-1231 group by driver underscore id. Calculates the total fare for each driver in the specified month. Question 17. Write an SQL query to find all trips with fares greater than $100. The correct answer is select star from trips where fare underscore amount is greater than 100. Lists trips with fares greater than $100 using a simple where clause. Question 18. Write an SQL query to find all vehicles that traveled over 200 kilometers in a given week. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id from trips where trip underscore date between 2024-1201 and 2024-1207 group by vehicle underscore id having sum of distance is greater than 200. Filters vehicles that traveled over 200 kilometers during a specific week. Question 19. Write an SQL query to find the total distance traveled by each vehicle in a specific city. The correct answer is select vehicle underscore id. Sum of distance from trips where city equals New York group by vehicle underscore id. Calculates total distance traveled by each vehicle in a specific city. Question 20. Write an SQL query to calculate the number of trips made by each route in the last month. The correct answer is select route underscore id. Count of star from trips where trip underscore date is greater than CURDATE minus interval 1 month group by route underscore id. Counts the number of trips made on each route in the last month.